To get the most out of your Whoop charging cable, it is essential to follow a few simple tips. First, ensure you are using the correct charging cable that came with your device or a certified replacement to avoid any damage to your Whoop. When charging your Whoop, plug the charging cable into a USB port on your computer or a wall adapter, and then attach the other end to your Whoop. Make sure the connection is secure to prevent any interruptions during the charging process. It is also crucial to keep your Whoop and charging cable away from extreme temperatures and moisture, as these can cause damage to the device and affect its performance. To maintain your Whoop charging cable, avoid bending or twisting it excessively, as this can lead to wear and tear. Additionally, keep the cable clean and dry to prevent any corrosion or damage. If you are experiencing any issues with your Whoop charging cable, such as it not charging properly, try resetting your Whoop or cleaning the charging contacts on the device and the cable. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your Whoop charging cable remains in good condition and functions optimally, allowing you to track your fitness and health goals without any interruptions. Regularly inspecting your charging cable for any signs of damage and replacing it if necessary will also help extend the lifespan of your Whoop.